Hey guys, so quick video for you on how you can reset the Nespresso Lattissima machine. So here what you need to do. You want to touch a single continuous movement, the following buttons. Warm milk, froth, cappuccino, latte macchiato, lungo, espresso, ristretto. So make these. The warm milk for button blinks to indicate reset mode. Press it to confirm. All buttons will blink 3 times. All cup volumes are reset. So this is something that you want to do. But the important thing to know is that, if I remember correctly, you need to press the sequence as soon as you turn your machine on. So while it's still in warm-up mode and unable to produce a drink, and once you have done this sequence, it should allow you to enter setup mode. So this is something you want to do. Then turn on machine and remove the milk and press the latte macchiato and warm milk buttons together and hold. Let's try also this. Then click once the following buttons, hit the milk, cappuccino, latte macchiato, lungo, espresso, starento. This must be done quick session without interruption. Then the hot milk button will flash. Press it to confirm that you want to restore the factory settings. All the buttons will flash 3 times and your machine is now restored to factory settings. So do it and it should probably work. So have a great day and goodbye.